Hello friends, and welcome back to Storytime with Miss MacIntosh. Today's story is about a mother and her little boy who go for a picnic. And Mom thinks it would be super fun to go and have their picnic in the forest. So this story is a little bit about their adventure at the picnic. And I read this book already, and I noticed something. There are rhyming words in this book. Let's see if you can catch it as well, okay? And when we're all done, I'm going to ask you one question. And that's going to be, if you think this story is fiction, that means it's not real. Somebody used their imagination and came up with this story. Or if you think it's non-fiction, that means it's real. This could really happen, okay? So this story is called It's the Bear. Eddie doesn't want to come and picnic in the woods with Mom. I'm scared, he said, about the bear, the great big bear that lives in there. So bear and there, they rhyme. See if you can find any others. A bear, said Mom. That's silly, dear. We don't get great big bears around here. There's just you and me and your Teddy Freddy. Now let's all get the picnic ready. We've got lettuce, tomatoes, creamy cheese spread with hard-boiled eggs and crusty brown bread. There's orange juice, biscuits, and crisps, and, oh my, I've forgotten to pack the blueberry pie. So, my pie, they rhyme. I'll pop back and get it, she said. Won't be long. But Mom, gasped Eddie. Too late, she had gone. So she left Eddie in the forest by himself. He sat on the hamper and tried not to cry. Then, I can smell food, yelled a voice from nearby. It's the bear, cried Eddie. Where can I hide? Then he opened the hamper and clambered inside. There he is, he's hiding. He's climbing inside. Out of the tree stepped a big, hungry bear, licking his lips and sniffing the air. A teddy bear's picnic, he bellowed. Hooray! Help! Whispered Eddie. He's coming this way. There's Eddie. He's peeking in out of the basket. And there, oops. And there you can see all the yummy food. He cuddled his tuddy. He huddled and hid. Then a great big bear bottom sat down on the lid. The bear munched and he crunched. He chomped and he chewed. He greedily gobbled up all the food. Now what's for dessert? Said the bear. Let me see. Check inside. Oh, please, whimpered Eddie. Don't let it be me. Don't let him see me. Don't let him come. Help! Shouted Eddie. Oh, the bear got scared too. They're both hugging a teddy bear. Eddie, I'm coming, called Mom. Are you hurt? It's a bear, cried Eddie. He thinks I'm dessert. A bear, said Mom. I told you, my dear, your Freddy's the only bear around here. No, he's not, screamed Betty. Behind you, it's there. Don't be silly, said Mom. There can't be. There just can't be. There isn't. A bear! And she threw up the plate and the pie, and he looks very happy. I told you, cried Eddie. Run, shouted Mom. Blueberry pie, said the bear. I love it. That's the end. So do you think that story is fiction? It's not real. It couldn't really happen. Or it's non-fiction. It is real. Give me a thumbs up if you think it is fiction. That means it's not real. It's just pretend. Yeah. Because I don't think your mom, or anybody's mom, would just leave their little boy in a forest when they went to go pick up a pie. And do bears really carry around teddy bears? No. So this story is fiction. That means it's just pretend. It's not real. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this story. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Alright. Alright, friends, and we'll see you next time with Story Time with Miss MacIntosh. Bye-bye.